Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. A blog writing service is a specialized platform or company that offers professional and high-quality content creation for individuals and businesses seeking to maintain an engaging and informative online presence. These services typically employ a team of skilled and experienced writers who are well-versed in various industries and niches. Clients can request custom blog posts tailored to their specific requirements, such as word count, tone, and topic. The blog writing service takes care of all aspects of content creation, including thorough research, SEO optimization, and proper formatting. Whether it's for personal blogs, business websites, or marketing purposes, a reliable blog writing service can help clients establish themselves as authorities in their fields and drive more traffic to their websites. The process of using a blog writing service is usually straightforward. Clients start by submitting their content requirements, and the service matches them with a suitable writer based on expertise and style preferences. The writer then produces the blog post within the agreed-upon timeframe, and the client receives the completed article for review and approval. Revisions are often included in the service to ensure complete satisfaction. By outsourcing their blog writing needs to a professional service, clients can save time and effort while consistently receiving well-crafted, valuable content that resonates with their target audience and boosts their online presence. Making money from blog writing services can be a lucrative venture if you approach it strategically and offer valuable content to your clients. Here are some steps to help you succeed. Build a professional portfolio. Start by creating an impressive portfolio showcasing your writing skills and expertise in different niches. If you're just starting, you can create sample blog posts on various topics to demonstrate your versatility. Identify your target audience. Determine the type of clients you want to work with. Whether it's small businesses, startups, or individuals, understanding your target audience will help you tailor your services to meet their specific needs. Offer various packages. Develop different service packages to cater to a range of clients. For instance, you can offer one-time blog posts, monthly content subscriptions, or bulk writing packages at discounted rates. Focus on SEO. Understanding search engine optimization (SEO) is essential as clients often seek blog posts that rank well on search engines. Ensure your writing incorporates relevant keywords and follows best SEO practices. Deliver high-quality content. Your reputation will grow through word-of-mouth recommendations, so always deliver high-quality content that meets or exceeds your clients' expectations. Make revisions when necessary to ensure client satisfaction. Networking and marketing. Attend industry-related events and join online communities to network with potential clients. Invest time in marketing your services through guest blogging, social media, or collaborations with other businesses. Provide excellent customer service. Good communication and reliability are crucial in retaining clients and generating repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, be transparent about timelines, and be open to feedback. Upsell additional services. Consider offering additional services like content strategy, social media management, or email marketing to increase your revenue per client and provide more value. Seek long-term clients. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to consistent work and stable income. Offer discounts or loyalty rewards to encourage clients to stick with your services. Remember, success in blog writing services comes with perseverance, constant improvement, and a genuine passion for writing. As you gain experience and positive reviews, your reputation will grow, attracting more clients and increasing your earning potential. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.